Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss some of the SSC CGL exam 2020 Tier 1 questions, correct answer. So here is SSC CGL exam 2020 Tier 1. Let us check the correct answer. So the first question is, in an examination 45% of all the students who appeared are boys and the rest are girls. If 60% of the boys and 70% of the girls passed, then what is the percentage of students who failed? And options are 36, 35.4, 40, 34.5. So here all the students means 100%. 100% all the students. 45% of all the students who appeared are boys. Boys. B for boys, 45%. So G for girls. Naturally 100% minus 45% equal to 55%. These are appeared. So A for appeared. Remember. Now if 60% of the boys and 70% of the girls passed, so here 45% into 60% means 6 by 10, and this 5 will cut 10 2 times and 45 9 times, and again the 2 will cut 6 3 times. Let us mention 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45, and this 2 3s are 6. So 9 3s are 27. 27% boys passed, and here 55 into 70% means 7 by 10. So here also 11 5s are 55 and 5 2s are 10. So this is 3.5. %38.5% girls passed and 27% boys passed. Now it is asked, what is the percentage of students who failed? Students who failed. This total becomes 65.5%. Means boys and girls 65.5% passed, then 100% minus 65.5, so this will be left 34.5%. 34.5% students fail. So the correct answer is here 34.5. That way we can solve this question. Here is question number 2. A and B together complete a certain work in 20 days, whereas B and C together can complete it in 24 days. If A is twice as good workman as C, then in what time will B alone do 40% of the same work? Options are 12 days, 18 days, 10 days, 15 days. So let us see A and B. We will write here E for efficiency, W for total work units, T for time, M for men. So here men are A and B. A and B 20 days, one work. B and C 24 days, one work. So the LCM of 20 and 24 comes 120. 120. This is the LCM and this LCM is the total work units. So 120 divided by 20 will give us 6 as efficiency of A plus B, and 120 divided by 24 will give us 5 as work efficiency. Now A is twice mentioned about A and C. A is twice as good workman as C. Let us write it here, twice and 1. Means efficiency of A is double than C. From here we can check efficiency of B. A plus B efficiency 6 unit per day, whereas efficiency of A is 2 unit per day. So 6 minus 2 will give us 4 unit per day efficiency of B. Efficiency of B is 4 unit per day. So in what time we alone do 40% of same work? 100% work is equal to 120 units. This is 100% work, which is equal to 120, and 40% means 2 by 5. So 120 of 2 by 5 will give us 48 units. 48 work units. Efficiency of B is 4. Total work units are 48. So 48 divided by 4 will give us 12 days here. So the correct answer is 12 days. That way we can solve this question. Here is question number 4. A shopkeeper marked every item 25% above the cost price and allowed 10% discount. Shruti, being a regular customer, got 5% additional discount on the bill and paid rupees 2394 for the item purchased. What is the cost price of the item in rupees? Options are 2420, 2220, 2240, 2440. So here cost price CP is always 100%. Marked price MRP 25% above this means 125%, and allowed 10% discount. So selling price will be 125% minus 10% of 125% means 12.5% less from 125. So this will be 112.5%. Now Shruti, being a regular customer, got 5% additional discount on the bill. We are knowing that the first discount is given on the MRP itself and the followed by discounts are given on the selling price. that we used to see, like here 112.5% is the selling price. So this 5% will be calculated on this. So here next selling price will be 112.5% minus 5% of 112.5%. So that will be next selling price, which is equal to 5.625 5% discount 5.625% कैलकुलेट होता है. So this will be reduced from 112.5% minus. So this will be left as 106.875%. This is selling price after 5% discount, and this is equal to 239594 106.875% is equal to 2394. And what is asked? Cost price of the item. So we need only 100%. So 100% will be equal to 2394 into 100 divided by 106.875, which is equal to 2240. So the correct answer is 2240. That way this question can be solved. Here is question number 5. The perimeter of a semicircle is 25.7 centimeter. What is its diameter in centimeter? Options are 12, 10, 8, 9. So here we should know this is the semicircle, and perimeter of semicircle is equal to half of 2 pi r means pi r plus twice of radius, because we can see this is twice of radius, means whole diameter is there. So this will be plus 2r. Now take the r as common out. So here it will be left pi plus 2. Value of perimeter is given 25.7 centimeter, which is equal to r into value of pi 22 by 7. So 3.14 plus 2. Now r is equal to 25.7 divided by 5.14. Here we can add one more 0 also. So both sides, top and bottom, 2 places of decimal will be cancelled each other. So value of r is equal to 5 5s are 25, and 14 5s are 70. So r is equal to 5 centimeter. Now diameter d is asked, and d is twice of radius, so 5 2s are 10 centimeter is the answer of this question. Here option number 2 is correct. That way we can solve this question. Here is question number 3. The data given in the table shows the number of boys and girls enrolled in 3 different streams in a school over 5 years, that is 2012 to 2020. So here year 2012, 14, 16, 18, 20 are given. Streams are art, science and commerce, and in each stream boys and girls are mentioned. What is the difference between the average of the number of boys in the commerce stream for the 5 years and the average of the number of girls in the arts stream for the 5 years? Options are 8, 40, 12, 10. Number of boys in commerce stream. Let us write commerce stream for the 5 years. कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम बी फॉर बॉयज, ये भी लिखना पड़ेगा बॉयज. So this is 35, 32, 36, 28, 39. $170 divided by 5. This comes 34. Average of the number of girls in the arts stream. Arts stream, number of girls. Arts stream girls. This is mentioned 36, 43, 42, 46, 43. By 5. So this comes 42. Now difference is asked. So 42 minus 34. Difference of 42 and 34 comes 8. Difference of 42 and 34 comes 8. So the option number 1 is correct. That way we can solve this question.